Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study organic chemistry. To begin, focus on understanding fundamental concepts rather than rote memorization of reactions. Practice naming compounds and drawing structures daily to build familiarity. Always strive to grasp reaction mechanisms, as this reveals the logic behind transformations. Utilize flashcards for quick recall of reagents and specific reaction conditions. This systematic approach will significantly enhance your learning. A solid foundation is crucial for organic chemistry. Dedicate time to reviewing basic principles such as hybridization, bonding, and molecular geometry. Thoroughly learn all functional groups and their unique properties. Understanding acidity and basicity trends will clarify many reaction pathways. Finally, master stereochemistry, including assigning R and S configurations, as it is fundamental to understanding three-dimensional structures. Active practice is indispensable for success. Work through numerous practice problems every single day to solidify your understanding. Always draw out reaction mechanisms step by step, visualizing electron flow. Maintain a dedicated reaction notebook, organizing reactions by type for quick reference. Explaining complex concepts aloud to yourself or a study partner can significantly reinforce your learning and identify gaps. To deepen your understanding, actively connect new reactions to those you have already learned, looking for overarching themes. Identify common patterns in organic synthesis, which will help you predict outcomes. Regularly review spectroscopy techniques, such as NMR and IR, to confidently identify unknown organic compounds. Finally, collaborate with peers to discuss challenging topics and gain new perspectives on complex problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.